Hello, this is the reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by ITP to assess the level of the candidate. My name is Kuneet Kaur and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 510013 and the name of the candidate is Charanjeet Kaur. Okay, so shall we start? So, what is your full name?
My name is Charanjeet Kaur.
How may I call you?
You can call me as a Charan.
Okay, what kind of place you are living in?
Well, I mostly like to countryside area because it is a pollution free area and there is no any noise of vehicles and I can easily live there with families as compared to in urban cities.
Okay, which is the most interesting part of your area?
Well, my village is a very beautiful, but I mostly like to park in my hometown because it is a very beautiful and big park, and I also like to spend my time in this park because whenever I feel stressed, then I usually go there, and after that I feel very relaxed and stressless.
Okay, what kind of jobs do people in your village do?
Well, in my village, most of people are educated, they have their own work, and most of our farmers and but most of people are a doctor as well as engineer in my hometown.
Okay, do you think that your village is a good place to live in?
Yes, my village is a very good place to live in because all peoples are very helpful and kind-hearted, and if, apart from there are good opportunities to jobs as well as the roads are very clear and they are good connected to highway and people can easily go another side.
Okay, now let's talk about tiredness. What kind of things usually make you tired?
Well, mostly whenever I work long hours, then it make me very tired. Apart from this, whenever I study long hours and do many hard work which affect my body, then I feel very tired.
Okay, what do you do when you feel tired?
Well, mostly whenever I feel tired, then I usually go in the park and spend my some time there. Apart from this, I listen my favorite song because whenever I feel tired, then I usually listen the song because it is my stress buster for me.
Okay, with whom do you usually talk when you feel mentally tired?
Well, whenever I feel tired, then I mostly like to talk with my sister as well as my best friend because I can easily share my all problems and tensions with her because she is my best friend as well as my good sister.
Okay, do you like to talk to strangers when you feel mentally low?
No, I don't like because I feel we can never trust to another person who are not knowing to us, and so whenever I feel tired, then I usually like to talk with my near and dear ones as compared to other person.
Okay, now let's talk about reading newspaper. Do you like to read newspaper?
Yes, I like to read newspaper because I want to myself to update with current affairs, and I am fond of reading because through reading I can learn many skills as well as many knowledge apart from around the world.
Okay. Which column do you read first?
Well, I mostly like to read jobs or advertisement as well as some political news which because nowadays the farmer protested is a very big news, so I mostly like to read this news.
Okay. Do you like to read international news?
Yes, I like to read international news because through this news I can learn many skills of other countries and their skills as well as their culture and traditions.
Okay. Do you think that nowadays the newspaper is being replaced by electronic media?
Yes, it is a reality because nowadays mostly youngsters like to read news on their own mobiles as compared to newspaper, but mostly older people prefer to read newspaper because they have no more knowledge about the electronic gadgets.
Okay. So this is the end of your part 1. Now it's time for your part 2, in which you will be given a cue card with some set of questions, and you will have 1 minute to prepare for it. Then rest of the 2 minutes will be given to speak on that topic. So here is your cue card, and you can use the paper and pencil. So your time starts now. Shall we start?
Then I like to read magazines as well as the news because it update myself with current affairs. But here I would like to talk about our article which I read about health. Yesterday I watching my mobile phone, and that time I scrolling the screen, and on Instagram I saw a video which is related on the health, and that article mention the name of that article is early to bed and early to rise. And when I open this article, then in this they writer mentioned that it is very good for health, because who people get up early morning, then they keep their body fit and healthy, because who people get up early, they easily their work, and they being active whole day. Apart from this, who people are get up early in the morning, they can easily work and they can concentrate more easily in their study as well as their in work, because with the help of get up early, they can exercise early morning, and they finish their work very early. Apart from this, they can meditation, because these things help the people to maintain their body, and they cannot catch the diseases, and this is that fact, because most of people like to sleep long, but it is a very harmful their body. So that who people get up early morning, they can fit their body, and they can study very easily because most of children who get up early morning, they can concentrate easily in their study, because early morning the environment is very fresh, and I was very fresh, and they have that time there was no any less disturbance, and they can concentrate more easily. When I know these things, then after that I always get up early morning, because in this article I read that who people get up early morning, their skin glow very as compared to other people, and they can never catch any diseases. So at that time too, I always get up early morning, because I am a very health conscious person, and I like to keep fit my body, because it is body is that thing which
Okay, so here I am going to stop you. Can I get the booklet back? Okay, so now I will ask you some questions as a follow-up. What are the most popular ways of keeping oneself healthy in your country?
Well, most of people like to exercise and meditations, because with the help of exercise and meditation our body can fit and healthy, and they can reduce the diseases and other problems.
Okay. Do you think most of the people worry more about their health as they get older?
Yes, most of people are worried about their health, because nowadays most of the people prefer junk food as well as fast food, which is not prepared in hygienic situations, and which create the problem, because past time people only eat the food, that food which was prepared on their home and which is very healthy their health. So this is the reason nowadays people are very worries about their health, because they not eat the healthy food.
Okay. How can children be encouraged to adopt a healthy eating habit?
Most of the parents as well as a teacher can encourage the children, because parents and teachers are that person who can encourage very easily to children, because the children is a very nice and they can easily get the knowledge their parents as well as their teachers, and the teacher and parents give their guidelines about their health as well as their tasty food which prepared in hygienic conditions.
Okay. Why do some people continue their bad eating habits even after knowing it's damaging habits?
Because people are like to spicy food, because they most of the people like to spicy food, and they do not care about their health, and they like to eat because they have no any.
Okay. Do you think people have become more health conscious in recent years?
Most of older people are very conscious about their health, because they know about the health value, as well as they eat that food which is healthy for their health. But nowadays most of youngsters not care about their health, because they mostly like to eat junk food which is not healthy for them, and which can create the bad diseases in their body.
Okay. Now it's all for your speaking test. Thank you.
Thank you.